What is going on, Ape Nation? I've got kind of an important topic for you today, and we're going to get right into it. But before we do, don't forget to smash that like button so that the YouTube algorithm shares this video with as many apes as possible and pisses off both Vlad Tenev and Ken Griffin and all of their goons. Anyhow, let's get right into the video. Oh, by the way, before we do, though, make sure you subscribe because I drop content just like this every day. But enough of that. So here's the topic that we're going to be talking about. We're going to be talking about Vlad Tenev. We're going to be talking about Robinhood. And I need to start, first of all, by saying that, around November 3rd, I believe it was, Robinhood got hacked. They were the victim of a social engineering scheme. I'm sure we've already discussed that on this channel, so you guys already know about that. But some new information came out about that. And some of you are probably sitting here watching this video and being like, why in the hell is he talking about Robinhood? We don't use Robinhood. Yes, you may not be using Robinhood, but there are still some apes that just aren't aware. They're still using Robinhood. How in the hell do I know? It's because I read my freaking dadgum comments and because I go on other forums that are related to stocks and stock trading and MOASSes and stuffs of that nature. And I see that apes are still using Robinhood. Now, we want to get all the freaking apes away from Robinhood, but more importantly, we want to get everybody, all new investors, the hell away from Robinhood. And the only way we can do that is to spread awareness. Now, I'm sure most of you are aware because this did come across I talked about this topic on my channel. Robinhood got hacked. It was November 3rd, and a lot of sensitive information was revealed during that hack. They were the victim of a social engineering scheme. Now, we found out at that time that, people's names, their addresses, zip codes, emails, all that kind of crap was revealed to someone that that customer support, Robinhood customer support, was under the impression was supposed to be accessing this customer information. And I'm not sure how in the hell you can work as customer support for a company and be dumb enough to fall for a social engineering scheme. But that just shows you that Vlad Tenev is not doing his job in properly or appropriately training his employees or his staff. He is the CEO of the company. That's his damn responsibility. But more on Vlad Tenev in just a second. What I want to tell you guys is that some new information came out about this hack. And now we find out that several thousands of phone numbers, customer phone numbers, were also exposed. Now, I believe the number is somewhere around 5,000. This is extremely serious because if they have your phone number, these hackers or cyber criminals, whatever the hell you want to refer to them as, they can use those phone numbers to trick the multi-factor authentication on your phone and even send phishing messages from your freaking number. That's pretty dadgum serious. But when I say phishing messages, I don't mean they're going to be sending out messages to other people saying, hey man, do you want to go catfishing with me tomorrow? How about bass? I just got a new bass boat. That's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about the type of fishing that's illegal in the United States of America and probably most other countries, but I do not know because I do not live in another country. Now, keep in mind that it took Robinhood 1 week to give us this information, to let us know that they've been hacked, and all of the information as to what's been made available to these hackers. All this information is coming from Robinhood themselves, from Vlad Tenev, and we all know that Vlad Tenev is a dadgum liar. We all know that he lied under oath to Congress at this congressional hearing in February. So can we really trust Vlad Tenev? Can we really trust the company Robinhood? Well, hell no, I don't think so. And now if I could turn that into a hashtag, matter of fact, I think I will. But the second part of this video, or the second point of me making this video, is to tell you guys that I'm guilty of something. I'm guilty of not giving Vlad Tenev enough attention. Now, I don't know if it's because he has this real pretty hair like mine. I only grew mine out because I'm an ape, and I know that apes are supposed to have more hair than I do right now, and which is why I'm trying to keep growing my hair out and, facial hair and everything else. I'm trying to be more ape-like to represent this cause, to represent the apes and be an appropriate representative for Ape Nation. So sue me if you don't like it, but that's just the dadgum truth. Now, if you're a sub to this channel, you already know that I give Ken Griffin a really hard time. And Ken, if you're watching today, no hard feelings, buddy. Just eat my banana, why don't you? Anyhow, so I give Ken Griffin a really hard time. I expose everything I possibly can that this bastard does, but I you know, even though I have in the past, and I will give myself credit for that, I have exposed a lot of things that Vlad Tenev has done, and I've exposed a lot of crap that Robinhood has done. So what I would like to see, I would like to see a lot of trending hashtags on Twitter that are more about Robinhood and more about Vlad Tenev as well, because we're not giving them enough attention and we're not spreading enough awareness. We've got new people, new investors coming in and using Robinhood because their app store on their phone tells them to do so or recommends it to them or whatever the case may be, and because they're just clueless as to what in the heck is going on. And you know me, I preach about spreading awareness, so I'm coming to you, MOASS Nation, today to help me figure out some hashtags that we can use for Vlad Tenev, some hashtags that we can use for Robinhood to really make them stand out. And then I'm going to pick some of those out. We're going to make a new video and discuss those hashtags. We're going to vote on them maybe, and then we're going to make them trend. So how about that? Please help me by leaving those hashtags in the comments section, letting me know what you guys think is appropriate for Vlad Tenev and for Robinhood. And also, if you've got some new ones that you want trending about Ken Griffin, well, hell, go ahead and put those in there too, because I'm interested and I want to help you guys. I want to use my following and help you guys get those things to trending. So let's do that.